Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys some swatches and a tutorial using the new Latte Palette by Dominique Cosmetics by Christen Dominique here on YouTube. And I'm also showing you Wayne Goss's new anniversary brush set. So if you would like to see how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. Here's an overall view of the packaging. It comes in a rose gold coppery sleeve, and there is 5 matte shades, 3 shimmers, and 2 pops of color. I'm just going to swatch these using my finger. The first shade in the top row is hazelnut, then caramel, vanilla cream, mocha, and pumpkin spice. In the second row we have espresso, macchiato, creme brulee, cold brew, and lastly we have double shot. And those are all the shades in the Latte Palette. Very pretty. Now I'm just going to show you all the brushes that come in Wayne Goss's new anniversary brush set. The first brush is the number 1 foundation brush, and all these can be used wet or dry. Then we have the number 2 brush, which I like to use for setting powders or highlighter. Then we have 3 blending brushes in number 3, 4, and 6, and you can use these all in your crease or on your eyes to blend out your eyeshadows. And then we have the 5, 7, and 8 detail eye brushes. Now moving on to the tutorial, I'm taking Wayne Goss's number 3 blending brush in the shade Caramel from the Latte Palette, and I'm just going to blend that in the crease using windshield wiper motions. Then taking Wayne Goss's number 4 blending brush in the shade Hazelnut, I'm also going to blend that in the crease but keep it more towards the outer corner. Then I'm taking Wayne Goss's number 6 brush and dipping that into the shade Mocha, and I'm going to sweep that in the outer corner, making a backward C shape. Then taking the number 7 eyeshadow brush and dipping into the shade Espresso, I'm putting that all over the eyelid, keeping it under the crease. Then I'll be taking that same brush and flipping it over and dipping into the shade Macchiato and placing that down the center of the eyelid. Then I'm just going to touch up on the shade Mocha and deepen up that outer corner. Then I'm just taking vanilla cream and cleaning up the crease. Then I'm just applying some mascara and eyeliner off camera. Moving on to the face, I'm taking my Smashbox Primer Water and my Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer and using both of those to prime my face for foundation. For foundation, I will be using the Bobbi Brown Serum Foundation with the Wayne Goss number 1 foundation brush, and I'm going to stipple and buff that into my skin. Wayne Goss recommends using stippling motions for people with dry skin, so I really tried to stick to those motions. For concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in light and medium and my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend that out under my eyes, down the center of my nose, on my forehead, and a little bit on my lip. And I'm using this to conceal, lighten, and brighten the face. Then I'll be taking Wayne Goss number 2 setting brush and my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder to set the concealer. As always, I'm taking Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana powder and using that to give my face some natural radiance. And for bronzer, I'm taking Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to use that in the hollows of my cheeks and a little bit to contour my forehead and my nose. For blush, I'm taking NARS's Madly blush and using the Wayne Goss number 11 brush and popping that on the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to dip into the shade Macchiato using that same Wayne Goss number 2 brush and just popping that on the high points of my face. Then I'm going to take this peacock blue colored eyeliner by Too Faced and line my waterline with that. Then I'm taking the Wayne Goss number 8 flat definer brush and dipping that into the shade Cold Brew to set the eyeliner and smoke out the lower lash line. Then I'm going to dip into the shade Macchiato with Wayne Goss number 5 pencil brush and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'll be using the Lash Discovery mascara to finish off the look, and this is the completed look with the Latte Palette. For lips, I'm going to take the shade Evan by Tom Ford and Charlotte Tilbury's lip liner in Iconic Nude to finish off the overall look. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I sincerely apologize for my voice. I'm just getting over being sick and I lost my voice and I sound really weird. But this was a really great palette and yeah, I highly recommend it. I'll see you guys in my next one.